Okay, so let's look at some more hyperboles. So, your skin is softer than silk. Softer than silk. So soft. The skin is very soft. The shirt is soft as silk. It's not actually soft as silk, but it is very soft. Very smooth. Ah, very smooth. Very nice. Very clean. Very nice. She's as skinny as a toothpick. Skinny as a toothpick. Well, a toothpick is like a little toothpick. As skinny as that. She's very skinny. But comparing and creating a hyperbole to exaggerate the point. She was so happy. Her smile was a mile wide. A mile wide smile. She was so happy that she had a big smile. Her smile wasn't literally, not to be taken on face value, not literal, not exact. Not literally. Not on face value, but to exaggerate the point, to make a hyperbole. Yes. The footballer, that footballer is the best player of all time. He is so good that no one else is better than him. Now you see, by making a hyperbole, we can exaggerate the point and we can add more detail into what we're talking about. Rather than saying he is so good, better than everyone else, we say he's the best player of all time. It just sounds nicer, sounds more, I want to say poetic. He's the best player ever. He's very good. It just sounds better in terms of literature, in terms of writing, in terms of it just reads and sounds better to say that. But it's a hyperbole. It's exaggeration. But it's a nice way of exaggerating. I'm so hungry that I could eat a horse. So hungry. Hungry. Very hungry that he could eat something large. So you see, I could eat a horse. I'm very hungry. I could eat something large. It just sounds nice. The hyperbole just sounds more poetic. I could eat a horse. Not literally, but it's the exaggeration that counts. So the hyperbole makes the language more beautiful, makes the words sound nicer. It shows a nice comparison. It just makes things sound more poetic in a way. As tall as a house, as soft as silk, very tall, very smooth. No. Yeah. As skinny as a toothpick. The best football player of all time. A smile a mile wide. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.